Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and sell stocks using Yahoo Finance's powerful features. While Yahoo Finance is not a direct brokerage, it serves as an indispensable hub for investors. It offers a wealth of information and tools to guide your trading decisions, making it a central part of your investment strategy. Before making any trade, thorough research is paramount. Yahoo Finance provides extensive data to help you. You can easily find a company's financials, review its historical performance over 5 or 10 years, and read analyst reports. This comprehensive information empowers you to make well-informed decisions about potential investments. To buy or sell stocks, you will connect your existing brokerage account to Yahoo Finance. This integration allows you to see your entire portfolio, often with real-time updates, all within the Yahoo Finance interface. While the actual trade execution happens on your brokerage platform, Yahoo Finance provides the critical data and analysis to confidently place your orders. After buying or selling, Yahoo Finance remains invaluable for managing your investments. You can monitor your portfolio's performance, set up alerts for price changes, and review your gains or losses. This continuous oversight, combined with market news and analysis, helps you stay on top of your investments and adjust your strategy as needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.